Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. The Galaxy S23 will have to fill some big shoes when it arrives, but we are confident that Samsung can do it with its own new flagship phones. The Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S22 Plus felt iterative rather than innovative, but the Galaxy S22 Ultra did not. It brought the Galaxy Note back to life. The Galaxy S23 rumor mill is just getting started. So far, everything we know about this upcoming flagship phone will be discussed in this video. The Galaxy S22 launched in the February, so we would expect a similar timeline for the Galaxy S23. Leak from Ice Universe mentions that the Samsung Galaxy S23 series will look very similar to the previous S22 series. Right from the phone's dimension to the screen size are all nearly identical. According to the leak, the Galaxy S23 will feature a 6.1-inch display. The S23 Plus will come with 6.6-inch display and the S23 Ultra will have 6.8-inch screen. For comparison, this is exactly what the Galaxy S22, S22 Plus and the S22 Ultra currently offer. Several rumors have claimed that the S23 Ultra will get a 200-megapixel camera, which would be a notable increase over the 108-megapixel camera on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This camera rumor has been gaining a lot of momentum in the recent time. This could be a good news for the next Samsung flagship phone. Samsung's HP3 is a mid-range sensor and the HP1 is the larger and more refined sensor that is expected to debut on the Motorola's X30 Pro or the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. Samsung may be planning an additional sensor for its own flagship in an effort to outperform its rivals. If you are curious as to what this sensor may be capable of, Samsung has shown off a video of the 200-megapixel HP1 camera sensor. The image looked impressive, details appeared to be very crisp and full of fine details. Another rumor from the Galaxy Club claims that the Galaxy S23 and the S23 Plus will both come with a 12-megapixel front camera. It's not clear what other upgrades might be involved or if this rumor has any validity. Still, the Galaxy S22 Ultra packs in a 40-megapixel front camera. It's about time Samsung added some shooting power to the two cheaper models. So far, we have only heard conflicting rumors about the Galaxy S23's chipset. The Samsung S23 Ultra is expected to have the same 5000 mAh battery as the S22 Ultra and the S21 Ultra. The rumored Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip could be seen inside it as well.